All right, my dudes, the iPad Pro M4 has a feature that will allow you to make app icons bigger within seconds. Just keep in mind that when you do this, it will take up more space on your home screen pages when you adjust it. With that said, to make this happen, all you need to do is first go into your settings and tap home screen and app library. When you tap in this section, you will the option at the top right that says use large app icons. All you need to do is turn this to on, and it will make your app icons larger on your home screen and app library. I will actually turn it off and on a few times so you can see the difference. I would say the benefit to using this feature is that if your eyesight isn't the greatest, the larger app icons might be beneficial to you. But yeah, and it's really that easy, guys. Next, I would like to run some Killer Instinct on the iPad Pro M4 because, well, the game is awesome and that's how we do it here. Please tap that, like, subscribe, and we will see you all in the next video. This, I wanted to recommend you guys check out Ignition Poker. You know, I think most of us enjoy playing poker in our free time, and this is a great place to do just that. I've currently been playing on Ignition for the last 7 years and regularly tear things up at the mid-stake games. They've got amazing software for playing on your phone or PC and also offer you the ability to play both free and real money games. And with lots of cash games running 24 hours a day and millions of dollars in monthly tournament prizes, you should be asking yourself, what am I doing here? I need to check out Ignition Poker ASAP. Of course, if you guys would like to learn more about them, there will be some bonus and resource links for them directly below in the description of this video.